Welcome back to the Past-Riotist, and today we are diving deep into one of the most advanced and controversial fighter jets ever built, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II. This aircraft represents a major leap in modern air combat, combining stealth, sensors, and network-centric warfare into a single multi-role platform. Designed to replace several aging fighters across Allied air forces, the F-35 is not just a jet, but a flying combat system that has reshaped how modern wars are expected to be fought. From the outside, the F-35 immediately stands apart from traditional fighter jets. Its exterior design is dominated by stealth-first engineering. The sharp angular lines, blended fuselage, and carefully shaped surfaces are all optimized to reduce radar cross-section. Unlike older jets with visible weapons and external fuel tanks, the F-35 carries most of its armament internally, preserving its low observable profile. The diverterless supersonic intakes are seamlessly integrated into the fuselage, eliminating radar reflective edges while improving airflow efficiency. Even the panel lines, access doors, and surface coatings are engineered to absorb radar waves rather than reflect them. The single-piece bubble canopy is tinted and frameless, offering excellent visibility while maintaining stealth. Beneath the skin, the aircraft is coated with advanced radar-absorbing materials that contribute heavily to its survivability. The overall shape may look bulky compared to earlier fighters, but this is intentional, allowing internal weapon bays, fuel storage, and advanced avionics to be housed without compromising stealth. Whether viewed from the front, side, or rear, the F-35's exterior communicates one thing clearly: this jet was built to see first, strike first, and remain unseen. When it comes to performance, the F-35 Lightning II is powered by the Pratt & Whitney F135 engine, one of the most powerful fighter engines ever produced. It generates over 40,000 pounds of thrust, enabling impressive acceleration and sustained high-speed flight. While the F-35 is not designed to be a pure dogfighter like some legacy jets, its performance is optimized for real-world combat scenarios. It can cruise at supersonic speeds, climb rapidly, and maintain high energy during engagements. One of the F-35's greatest strengths is not raw speed or agility, but situational dominance. The jet's advanced sensor fusion allows pilots to detect, track, and engage targets long before being detected themselves. In air-to-air combat, this means the F-35 often does not need to enter traditional dogfights. In air-to-ground roles, its precision strike capability allows it to destroy high-value targets with minimal exposure. Variants like the F-35B add short takeoff and vertical landing capability, allowing operations from amphibious assault ships and forward bases, while the F-35C is optimized for aircraft carrier operations. The F-35's agility is still respectable, supported by advanced flight control systems that assist the pilot during high-G maneuvers. Combined with stealth and electronic warfare capabilities, the jet is designed to survive in heavily defended airspace where older fighters would struggle. In modern warfare, performance is no longer just about speed and turn rate, and the F-35 reflects that shift perfectly. Inside the cockpit, the F-35 represents a complete departure from traditional fighter design. The interior is dominated by a large panoramic touchscreen display that replaces dozens of individual gauges and switches. This single display provides flight data, sensor feeds, navigation, weapon status, and tactical information in a clean, customizable layout. The goal is to reduce pilot workload and present only the most relevant information at any given moment. The helmet-mounted display system is one of the most advanced ever fielded. It allows pilots to see through the aircraft using distributed aperture system cameras, providing a 360-degree view of the battlefield. Targets, threats, and friendly forces are projected directly onto the pilot's visor, eliminating the need to look down at instruments during combat. This level of integration turns the pilot into a true sensor operator rather than just a flyer. The cockpit layout is ergonomic and intuitive, designed for long missions and high-stress environments. Voice commands, touch controls, and automation reduce the physical and mental burden on the pilot. While this high level of automation requires extensive training, it also allows pilots to manage complex combat scenarios more effectively than ever before. The F-35 cockpit is less about hands-on flying and more about information dominance and decision-making. When discussing the F-35, price is always a major topic. The cost of the program has been widely debated, but it's important to understand what buyers are paying for. Depending on the variant, the unit price of an F-35 typically ranges from around $80 to $100 million. The F-35A is the least expensive, while the F-35B and F-35C cost more due to their specialized capabilities. Operational and maintenance costs are higher than older fighters, largely due to the complexity of stealth coatings, advanced electronics, and software-driven systems. However, supporters argue that the F-35's ability to replace multiple aircraft types, perform several mission roles, and integrate seamlessly with Allied forces offsets these costs over time. Continuous upgrades through software updates also mean the aircraft can evolve without major physical redesigns. In real-world service, the F-35 has already proven its value. It has been deployed in combat, participated in multinational exercises, and demonstrated its ability to operate as part of a connected battlefield network. Pilots consistently highlight the aircraft's situational awareness and survivability as game-changing advantages. In the end, the Lockheed Martin F-35 Lightning II is not just another fighter jet. It is a symbol of how air combat has evolved in the 21st century. Its stealth-focused exterior, information-dominant performance, futuristic cockpit, and high price reflect a shift toward quality, connectivity, and survivability over sheer numbers. Love it or criticize it, the F-35 has already secured its place as one of the most influential military aircraft of modern times. This is the Past-Riotist, and if you enjoyed this deep review of the F-35 Lightning II, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more in-depth explorations of the world's most powerful military aircraft.